Welcome. In front of me is an Amazon Fire HD8, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold our power key and from there select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power and volume down at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. Now once you see the Amazon logo, you can let go of both of them, and let's just wait for the recovery mode to show up. And as you can see, there it is. So, and here you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, though it looks like they're flipped, because I believe this should be down, but it's going up instead. So whatever the case is, that's basically volume keys are way to navigate, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with this in mind, from here we can reboot the device, wipe data, factory reset the device, or cache partition, reboot to bootloader, power off, and view logs on the device. And that's basically it. So I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and this will just reboot the device back to the Fire OS, I believe it is. And as you can see, there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.